Hey guys, welcome back to TV34 Multimedia Productions. I'm back again, and we're talking once again about the Potensic Atom drone. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that I'm going to do with it today. I just want to give you a little introduction. This is it here, the Potensic Atom. It's really a nice drone. I'm really pleased with the results and everything with it. And a couple of things that I like about this particular drone is that, of course, the 3-axis gimbal on the camera is really nice. Having an SD card slot on the back where you can record high quality video directly to the SD card, which is a big bonus for me. And the stability of it and everything is just really good. I bought the kit that came with oops, there we go. It came with the 3 batteries, so got plenty of charging time where I can do a lot of flying when I'm ready to. So that kit came with it. And then also show you the remote control and how it connects to the phone and everything. Just the setup that I'm using. There we go, right there. So that's the setup right there. I've got the phone connected to it and everything. And that's the other thing that I really like about it, is that it connects directly to the phone. The remote control does, so you don't have to worry about getting a Wi-Fi signal. It's connected directly to the camera, to the phone rather, and then you can just within seconds, as soon as you turn it on, it connects, and then you're ready to fly. You know, in less than 10 seconds or so. Once the app starts up on your phone, you're ready to take off and start flying. So that's another nice thing that I like about it. And I like how this particular remote control is made, because it's a little beefy, and I like that because it's got a nice feel to it. The handles, you can unscrew those to take those off and put them out of the way, so you don't have to worry about losing them or anything like that. So that's a nice little feature that they have with it. You just screw it right back on, and like I said, once you turn it on and get started, you're ready to fly. So what I'm getting ready to show you now, I was outside a little bit earlier today after I got off work, and I did all of this. This particular drone has what they call quick shots, and it's 5 different quick shots that it does. Different flight scenarios that it does: circle, boomerang, spiral, pull away, and then one of them is just a rocket where it goes straight up. So I'm going to show you those in just a few minutes. But really nice drone, really nice. It's a lot better than I expected. And like I said, a lot of people talk about it's a spin-off, or it's a take from the DJI drone, which I've never flown one of those before. But this one is really nice. I'm really pleased with it, with the results and everything. So we're going to take it out and show you some test flights that I did with it, with those quick shots. And then after that, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to plug some, put some lights on it and try a little bit of night flight and see how it looks, and I got some strobes that I'll show you those on the next segment, and show you how those look. And once I put them on the drone, I'll let you take a shot of them, take a look at them before I actually get it outside and fly it and see how it looks. So stay tuned. We're going to come right back. I'm going to get everything set up. I've already flown it out already, and I'll show you that video of what the results were with that. And then stay tuned, and we'll come back with some more video right after this. You see, now if it'll let me do a quick shot. Okay, now we're going to see if we can do a quick shot. Pull away. All right, we got the pull away shot going. Alright, and it's coming back to me. Alright, good. Then we're going to try another one. We're going to try the rocket. Let's see if it goes straight up. Okay, that's the rocket. It went up there pretty good with the rocket. And then it's going to come back down. Okay, now we're going to try one more. We're going to do the spiral. See if we can draw a circle around me. And now we're going to see if we can get it to spiral around. Shouldn't be anything in the way. Nice little spiral quick shot. Got one or two more I'm going to try real quick and see if they work. Okay, that's the quick shot for the spiral. Let me get that one to come back down. Okay, we're going to try another one. And let's try the boomerang real quick. We got the boomerang. Alright, let's see what that one does. Should come all the way around. That one went way around. It was cool. It didn't went further than I expected. It didn't hit a tree or anything, so that was good. Alright, so that was good on the boomerang. And let's see. I think we got one more to circle. We'll get it to circle around one time real quick. It's coming around pretty good in a circle. Keep it being the shot on track. Okay, that looks good. Now let's see. Okay, I'm back, and those were the quick shots that you can do with this particular drone, the Potensic Atom. And again, one of the nice things I like about it is that everything is done right within the drone and the phone itself and the app. One of the things that I showed you was that the recording directly through the app, where you can see what I'm doing each time I'm going into the different settings and going into the different flight patterns and selecting those, and takes it right off. It gives you a little countdown so you can see when it's about ready to take off. And it's just a nice little feature to have with some special effects that you can use with this particular drone. It does say that it works better if you focus it on a person and then do the quick shots, because it stays focused on that one particular individual. So that's a good thing. Or you can have a group of people and just have it stay set right on those, and the camera stays right on that center point, and then it just flies around and does whatever it's going to do and stays focused on that particular spot. So a nice little piece of equipment to have, and something that you can play around and do and get different effects and different things like that. So I really like it. I really like it a lot. Playing around with it, still getting used to flying the drone and everything, but this one is really smooth. It's very stable. Even on windy days, it's pretty cool how stable it is and how level it is on a nice windy day. So can't wait to get back out on the island and play around some more with it, and see what it looks like when I get a chance to get some snow that's coming real soon, probably in the Detroit area. So we'll see what it looks like, and keep playing around with it. Stay tuned. I hope you like this little video clip, and that